Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Imagine you've just joined ShopSphere, an online retailer where the support team is buried under a mountain of customer emails every day. Late deliveries, wrong items, refund requests. Your job is to build an AI assistant that can read these emails, pull out the main problem, figure out how urgent it is, and suggest what the team should do next. This is a great way to see how AI can really make a difference in customer service. So let's go ahead and bring in some helpful tools. Pandas for handling our data, and a couple of AI helpers from LangChain. These are going to make your life a lot easier as you work through this project. Now I am going to load up your support emails from a CSV file and save them into a variable called emails. This is where all the action starts. So I am going to go ahead and take a quick peek at the first few rows. This way you can see exactly what kind of data you're working with. Here's what you're looking at: a collection of real customer support emails. Each one has details like the subject and the full message. This gives you everything you need to understand what the customer's dealing with and figure out how to help. Now, let me show you how you're going to process these messages. You'll set up a LangChain question answering pipeline. This will let you automatically pull out the main issue and how urgent it is from each email. It's a smart way to bring AI into the support workflow. First up, you're creating an AI chatbot called LLM. It's set to use a specific model and a touch of randomness, so you get creative answers when you need them. Now, you're building a prompt template. Think of this as giving your AI clear instructions. Read the customer's email, summarize the problem, rate the urgency, and suggest what to do next. Next, you're wrapping that template into a prompt object. This makes it easy to fill in any email text you want to analyze. Finally, you're chaining everything together. Now, whenever you give it an email, it runs through your prompt and gets a smart response from the AI. Amazing! Now you can generate structured summaries for each support email. For every message, your AI will create a clear summary, assign an urgency level, and suggest what the team should do next. You're making a function that takes in a row of data, grabs the email text, and runs it through your AI chain to get a summary. Now you're applying that function to every email in your table, so each one gets its own issue summary. Finally, let's take a quick peek at the first few results. You'll see the customer's email right next to the new summary you just made. Please take a moment to like this video, as it is going to be a great help, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So, as you can see, you've got summaries for some of the customer support emails. By checking these, you can see how well your system is picking up the main points and helping the team know what to do next. Here, you're looping through the first two emails. For each one, you're printing out the customer's email, a quick summary of their issue, and a little divider line to keep things neat. Now, you're getting ready to save your processed emails so the support team can use them to prioritize their work. By exporting the results, you're making sure the team has everything they need organized and ready to go. So I am going to go ahead and save all those emails into a CSV file. I'm leaving out the row numbers to keep things clean. You've just seen how to automate a real customer support workflow using Python and AI. This kind of automation can save teams a ton of time and help customers get faster responses. Now, what other ways do you think automation could help in customer support? Share your ideas in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you next time.